how to build an online banking website step by step. The best online banking website script 2025. Hello guys, this is Remedy, and today I'm going to show you step by step of how to build online banking website. You see, the best online banking website 2025. This is the best banking website tutorial you're going to get 2025. The best PHP script to start bank website. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build this online banking website you're seeing. You're going to learn how to build a professional online banking website 2025 using a PHP script. All right. I'll tell you how to install the online banking script. I will show you the key features of this banking website. I will show you how you can customize and set up this banking website for your clients. So I'm going to show you all the features, of this online banking. All right. So let's go through the interface, the front end of the online banking. You're seeing how nice it's looking, how beautiful and robust this online banking is looking. All right. All right. So now this is a very, very robust online banking website. It's one of the best 2025. All right. So I'm going to show you all the features of this online banking website. I'm going to show you step by step process. I'm going to take you with your hand and show you how you can easily set up this banking website for your client. All right. All right, so now this is the front end. The front end is basically what you're seeing. So it has a lot of pages. You can see the pages. All right, this is the best online professional online banking website in 2025. You see the how it looks. So let's log in. You can create an account here. Okay, you can, in your creation of account, you can also select currency. It allows you selection of currency during creation of account. So you can create an account, but I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and log in as a user. Let me log in as a user so that this video will not take time. So let me go ahead and log in as a user. So I have an account where 1, 2. You log in with your username for this online banking website. All right. So so it takes me to here. Are you seeing this? It brings me here that I should enter my PIN. So I will put my PIN 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will verify my PIN. All right. So you see, it brings me to the dashboard. See how robust the dashboard is looking. You have your current balance, your monthly income, your monthly outcome, and your what transactional limit. All right. You see how robust it's looking. You see, you can see you have your cards. All right. You have your cards. You can apply for cards. So let's start from the transaction table. From here now, you see the transaction table, right? The transaction history. Here now, you see all account that their amount, type, preferences, description, and what scope. All right. So you can even print a receipt of a transaction that you have made. You can just scroll to print any receipt of the transaction you have made. So you can easily print your receipt out for you. And you see how robust this receipt is looking. Okay. So you can print out the receipt. All right. You can also, you see the card, it has cards. All right. You see cards. You can come here, apply for cards. You can apply for card. You can view the cards you have applied. Look at all these cards are active. So you can view them. Got the card. Currently, can flip them to see. Can flip. You can show the details, right? So you can flip and show the details. You can fund this card. Put amount you want to fund. Then select the type you want to fund. Account balance, and account will be funded. The card will be funded. You can withdraw, send the fund you have in the card back to the balance. All right. All right, you can apply as many cards as possible you want. You just click on apply for card and you start applying for card. Here you can make local transfers, put the amount, put the sender's name, put the account number, and what go ahead and what make transfer. You can make international transfer as well. You can make international transfer where, right? Put amount. It also asks you for the codes, billing codes. I have like 3 billing codes. All right. I have like 3 billing code. It also gives, you can put the name of the person, put that, put this, and address, then um the transfer type, put your code, then put the number, then your pin, then um go ahead and what continue with your what transfer, right? It will ask you for the code. To ask you for the code, so you put down the code, you put them on. To ask you for the second one, you put it on and confirm it. It will ask you for the third one, you put the third one on. So if the code is incorrect, if I mistakenly enter incorrect pin code, it will say sorry, invalid code. So contact support for the code. All right. So it will call you to support, contact support. So it has other transfers, not just wire. It can do cryptocurrency. Look at that. You can do cryptocurrency. Just select the type you want to do. BTC, Ethereum, BNB, and the rest. Okay. Stay in international transfers. You see more. Can look at more and it will print you have Squirrel, Venom, Zell, Revolt, Alpi, a whole lot of them are here. It has a whole lot of transfers methods. So you can see deposit, you can still make deposit using either any of the payment method. You can also have save and invest features. It's just like an investment features where you can save and invest in plans. I have secure fund, future fund, blue fund, a whole lot of fund. So you can either deposit, check your portfolios, withdraw to the main balance. So it has a save and these are the savings that I am on currently. These are the savings I am on currently. I can view their details, how they have been earning profit. So can show me the details of the plans, how profitable they are. So any profit you make will be added there. All right. Um, all right. So we also have loan requests, save and invest features. Okay, I'm not done with the save and invest feature. So let's say I want to invest in future fund. This is my ROI currently. The current job it seems is no longer running. So let's say I want to invest like 400 to this place. I'll invest, save and invest features. So you have successfully purchased a save and invest, secure save and invest. So that's that. My this thing I can withdraw my profit to my main account and transfer to someone else and to another account. So that's also possible. So you can also request for loan. It has a loan requires features. There's currently loan application is restricted for me currently, so I can go back to admin and turn it on. All right. Um, We have this tax refund, loan history, and a whole lot of features. So this is a very, very robust online banking website, as you can see. It's very, very robust. It's very, very robust. You can see this. All right. Now, let me show you the admin. Let me show you the admin of this website. Now, this is the admin. Here in the admin, you can see manage. If you click on manage user, you see all the users of this website. You see all the users of this website. So you can, once you see admin now, you will come to admin, you click on manage admin, you click on action. You can, from here you can credit a user, can put credit a user, select type of credit, local sender's name, put the sender description, put the description and the whole of that, and you can same thing with debit. Here now you can, there are a whole lot of things. The same credit, you can see it here, credit and debit. You can generate transaction, put the minimum transaction you want to generate. Let's say I want to generate 5 transactions and put the lowest amount I want it to be. Okay, this one is the max amount, this one is the lowest amount. All right, so I will put the date that I want it to start from. I'll put the end. I want it to start from June. Let's say I want the transaction to start from June. All right, so I will choose June. All right, so I will say that I want it to stop at July. All right, so I'll put, let's say 5 transactions. I will generate transaction. So this transaction will be generated. So I'll have 5 random generations generated, and they can be, let's go back to here. Let's click on transactions. So those transactions that generated, they can be either they be credit, some will be credit, some will be debit, credit, credit. We have like 3 credit, 1 debit, 2 debits out of those 5 transactions. Look at them, they are the ones they have processed already. Uh, so that's generation of this thing account. Here now you can see the banking authorization code. The time I was making transfers, you see, I was using IMF, all those codes. So you see, this is where you can set them up for each of the user. Each user can, you can give them their own code. All right. You can also send mail to a user. You can send mail to a user. Click on send mail. Send mail. You can send mail to a user. Send from here. You can set up account limits like daily limit. You can turn it on, off, and on. All right. So you can set up account limits. If you want to set up account limit for the user, you can turn account to dormant. Normally, once account registers, the account is on dormant. So you need to come back here to this place and turn it off. Turn it off. So for any new registered users, the account is automatically on dormant. So you need to come here and turn it off. All right. Now you can change profile picture, make the beat, log into the user account. Now here you can create a new user. From here you can create a new user. Put the user's name, IMF, and a whole lot of them. You can create a new user here. Here, new applications. If the this thing is on KYC, like on user must do KYC before they do this thing. That means new users for them to view their dashboard, you need to come to this place, new account user, and what approve their applications. So here now you see transfers. These are all transfers made. All right, these are all transfers made. Like this transfer is currently pending. If I want to um process it, I'll click on that, come here, see, look at it at speed, then select backdate. If I want to backdate it, I can easily backdate the transaction. Right, I can easily backdate the transaction and process as a process, as a paid. So I can even also, one thing I can also do is to reject the transaction. Let me see if there's any pending transaction again. Okay, I've seen a pending transaction. So I can also, instead of saying that it's paid, I can reject it, put it on hold. I can put it on hold as well. Select the date, backdate it, or put it in front and what process. Here now you see user deposits. All the deposits that users made, that's where it is where it is. You can process them here. Here now you see plans, those investment plans, those save and invest features. This is where you can create new one here. You can view the ones, the active ones. Look at the active ones here. These are active. Delete the plan, mark it as expired, and a whole lot of features you can do to it. Right? Um, uh, so you have a whole lot of feature. This feature here is the settings. This is a place you set up the site. All right. So here now you put your name, the title of your website, and pretty much the website address. This is where you put it. The site URL, you need to put it here. All right. Now, if the site is in a subdomain, you need to put the selection type to be subdomain. This is a place you change your what logo. So in case you want to change your logo, this is a place you want to change your logo. Now, this is a transfer code information messages that you see during the transfer code. This is where it's here. You can also on and off OTP here. Can also on and off OTP. Here now is a preference. Here you can put your contact email. This is a place you can either turn on KYC or turn it off. All right. That is the email configuration. So currently it's on send mail. You can use SNTP. If you're using SNTP, you need to set up all the email settings here. All right. Okay. So I'll also show you where the payment settings. In the payment settings, you have your USDT. You can create new one. You can edit the existing one by clicking on this I stuff here. Put your the details you want to put your wallet address there. Then yeah, you have added your payment settings. So this is very, very robust um online banking website. I just have to go through all the features of this. You see how this is your account number, you see how it's looking. You can either off remove this or turn it on. All right, so you see very, very robust online banking website. This is account info. It shows you all the information of your account. Is the sent, you have local, international transfer, and then international transfer. You see, have a whole lot of transfers and make deposit and a whole lot of things. So I'm going to show you how you are going to install this website easily. I'm going to show you. So you to install this website, you're going to need a domain name. You're going to need this. I'm going to show you easily for your own and for your clients. All right. So this is what I'm going to show you now. So for now, I'll assume that you have gotten your domain and you have gotten your hosting. So we're going to go into your domain and your hosting now, and we're going to set up this website now. So I have my domain here. Crucial Media. I've created a subdomain for where I'm going to install the website. Right. So um the subdomain I've created is called what's the name ban is a place I want to install this website. So I'm going to upload the script. Now the script is not free. You are going to get it from me at a price. So you're going to see my number on the comment on the description below. You chat me up. I'll tell you how much the script is. So you will just set it up. Under 3 minutes, you have set up the banking. It's not hard to set up. It has been made simple for you to use. So now I've gotten my domain and my um cPanel. All right. So what I need to do now is to upload the script. So let me go to upload. Let's click on upload. Click on select. Now we are going to get the script and upload it. Let's click on where the script is and let's upload it. Um, Sorry, I think it's not connected. It's in my flash drive. All right.